Now let us understand what is Habu. See what we are doing. We are doing valuation, and as I said earlier, when we are doing valuation, what we are trying to find out? We are trying to find out a fair value. So हाबू का मतलब क्या है? हाबू का मतलब है highest and best use. Highest and best use. That means whenever you are doing valuation of a property, whenever you are doing valuation of a property, what should you be guided by? You should be guided by Habu. For example, there is a property, and in that property, somebody is running a restaurant, and that restaurant is running very well. That restaurant is running very well, and the owner is really earning very handsome profit. And that restaurant is situated in middle of heart of the city. Now, if you have to do the valuation of this restaurant, one way of doing the valuation is to do the valuation based on the going concern. And using the going concern, you can go for the income approach. And under the income approach, you can use the income capitalization method as well as you can use the discounted cash flow method, because the restaurant has been doing a roaring business for ever since it started 20 years back. So you can use the past income as the basis and do the income capitalization, or since the restaurant is doing well, it would continue to do well in future. That is what is the expectation. So you can also use the discounted cash flow method. But should you really do the evaluation of this restaurant based on the income capitalization or discounting cash flow, or should you use something else? And what is that something else? That something else is हाबू. क्या मतलब है? मतलब यह है कि अगर इस एसेट को रेस्टोरेंट की तरह वैल्यूएशन करने के बजाय इस एसेट का और ऑल्टरनेटिव यूज क्या है? इस एसेट का और ऑल्टरनेटिव यूज ये है कि ये एसेट को डिमोलिश करके यहाँ पर एक बड़ा शॉपिंग मॉल बनाया जाए और शॉपिंग मॉल बना के उसका वैल्यूएशन किया जाए. So, if you do the valuation of the same property as a running restaurant and do the valuation of the same property as a shopping mall, which is the best and the highest use? Which is the highest and the best use? Is the doing the valuation as a restaurant is the highest and the best use, or it is the shopping mall? And obviously the answer is the valuation is going to be when it is valued as a shopping mall, and that is referred as हाबू, highest and best use. So जब आप किसी एसेट का वैल्यूएशन कर रहे हैं, this is प्रॉपर्टी का वैल्यूएशन कर रहे हैं, and this is what you need to also look at as to what is the highest and the best use. Please remember what you are trying to find out. You are trying to find out the fair value. Fair value का मतलब क्या है? The value which is the maximum that you can arrive at it, isn't it? So that is हाबू. Only thing what is you have to remember, there is a 4 tests that you have to do in case of Habu. And what those tests are, 4 tests are: number 1, legally permissible. Is it permissible legally to demolish this restaurant and construct a shopping arcade in this part of the city? Is it legally permissible? That is what you need to check. Physically possible. Is it physically possible to do it? Is it physically possible to demolish the restaurant and construct a shopping market? That is the second test that you have to look at. Number 3, financially feasible. It may be legally permissible, it may be physically possible, but it must be financially feasible also. And why financially feasible? You may construct a big shopping market, a mall in the heart of the city, but for whatever reason, people may not be really in favor of such a shopping mall coming in the heart of the city. वो पार्किंग का प्रॉब्लम है, ट्रैफिक का प्रॉब्लम है, ये प्रॉब्लम है, वो प्रॉब्लम है. Because of all that, people may not come to this location. So you may construct, legally also permissible, but financially is not feasible because nobody is coming. I'm just giving you a hypothetical example that we are discussing. So you also have to check whether it is financially feasible. And number 4, most profitable. most profitable, and that is Habu. So that is Habu is highest and the best use. So when you're doing valuation of a property, remember you always have to apply the principle of Habu. Habu is what? Habu is highest and the best use. Highest and the best use, and highest and the best use, that means find out what is the alternative application of this asset, and not only find out what is the alternative application of this asset, also simultaneously find out, is it legally permissible, is it physically possible, is it financially feasible, and it is most profitable, and that is what it is. So in case of Habu, one question that you may get is, what is the full form of Habu? Habu means, they will give you 4 options. One of them is going to be highest and the best use. If you remember, if you have understood, you will answer it correctly without any hesitation, without any problem. And the second question can be, which of the following 4 is not part of the test for Habu? And which are the 4 that we have spoken? Legally permissible, physically possible, financially feasible, and most profitable. So what they would give, which of the following is not the test for Habu? 3 सही दे देंगे, एक चौथा गलत देंगे. अगर आपको कंसेप्ट समझ में आ गया, I am sure you will give the answer without any hesitation. So what are the 4 tests? Number 1, legally permissible, physically possible, financially feasible, and most profitable. And that is all about Habu. I hope that answers your question about the Habu.